In the last lecture, we've seen theoretically how a black hat hacker can attack the HTTPS protocol. In this video, I'll show you a live example of SSL sniffing. The attack can be executed from any Linux machine using tools like Ettercap or Bettercap. I'm gonna use Linux Mint and Ettercap because in the latest version of Kali, these tools are a little bit buggy when executing the attack. If you want to run it on Kali, you execute all commands and follow all steps exactly like this. There is no difference in fact. Let's get started. By default, Ettercap is not performing the SSL sniffing attack. This means intercepting the server certificate, generating a new fake one on the fly, and sending it to the victim. Let's change the Ettercap config file to activate SSL sniffing. I'm opening the configuration file of Ettercap. It's in /etc ettercap and then ether.conf. This is the configuration file of Ettercap. And almost at the end of the file, I'll uncomment 2 lines related to IP tables. These 2 lines. If you see here another 2 IP tables rules related to IPv6, please uncomment those 2 lines as well in order for the attack to work. And I'm saving the file and then quit. Let's start the ARP spoofing attack. The victims will be the Windows machine, this one, and the default gateway. So ettercap -t -m ARP, the first victim, the default gateway, // and the Windows machine, the second victim. We had an entire lecture on Ettercap, and you can recap from there if you feel the need. I'm launching the attack. Let's check that the attack was successful. On the victim, ARP -a. And we notice that both the default gateway and the hacker have the same MAC address in the ARP table. This is the hacker, and this is his MAC address. Let's check it just to be sure. Okay, the IP address ends in 151 and the MAC address ends in 91. Perfect. Now, let's visit a website using HTTPS. This is the victim machine. Let's say bbc.co.uk. Wow, we notice the certificate error. Your connection is not private. This certificate is not the authentic certificate sent by the server, but it's the fake certificate generated by the hacker. The connection to this site is not secure. If the user accepts the certificate and clicks on proceed to bbc.co.uk, the hacker will capture all data in clear text and the user will be hacked. In the Ettercap window, we already notice unencrypted traffic. Remember that in the last lecture, I have said that this attack cannot be performed on HSTS domains. If we check this domain, bbc.co.uk, on hstspreload.org, we'll see that it's not in the list. Let's try another domain, this time a domain that's in the list. For example, facebook.com. Okay, we see the same security warning, your connection is not private, but there's no way to continue. It says that you cannot visit facebook.com right now because the website uses HSTS. So HSTS does not allow us to visit some particular websites in an unsecure manner. It protects the user against this attack and many others. and I'm stopping the attack by pressing on Q in Ethercap window. It's re-ARPing the victims. That's all, thank you.